Are you a cat owner? Are you sure you're not making these common mistakes? Welcome, feline enthusiasts and curious minds alike, to a fascinating journey through the top 10 biggest blunders committed by cat owners. These missteps can significantly impact your beloved pet's health and happiness. So, we're here to shed light on these issues, and the importance of steering clear of them. Buckle up, because this is going to be a revelation. Stay tuned as we count down these common errors and provide solutions to avoid them. Starting off our countdown at number 10 is neglecting regular vet checkups. This mistake is more common than you might think. Regular vet checkups are vital for your cat's overall health. They help to catch potential health issues early on, before they become serious problems. During a routine checkup, your vet will examine your cat's body condition, teeth, eyes, ears, and coat, all of which can tell a lot about their health. They'll also listen to their heart and lungs, check for any signs of discomfort or pain, and may even do some routine blood work. These regular visits to the vet can help prevent a range of health issues, from dental disease and obesity to heart problems and arthritis. They can also ensure that your cat is up to date on their vaccinations, protecting them from serious infectious diseases. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. Number 9 on our list is feeding your cat's dog food. You might think that what's good for the dog is good for the cat, but that's simply not the case. Cats are obligate carnivores, meaning they require a diet high in meat. Dog food, on the other hand, is often filled with carbohydrates and plant-based proteins, neither of which fulfill a cat's nutritional needs. Moreover, cats require specific nutrients that are absent in dog food. For instance, an essential amino acid called taurine, which is crucial for a cat's heart, vision, and immune function, is not present in adequate amounts in dog food. Similarly, arachidonic acid, a fatty acid vital for cats, is typically missing in dog food. Feeding cats dog food on a regular basis can lead to malnutrition and other health issues. Always ensure your cat is getting a balanced and appropriate diet. Coming in at number 8 is ignoring your cat's dental care. Now, we all know that brushing teeth isn't exactly a feline's favorite activity. But did you know that by age 3, 70% of cats show signs of dental disease? It's true. Dental problems can lead to pain, tooth loss, and even affect the heart and kidneys. So what can you do about it? Start by checking your cat's mouth regularly for signs of problems. Look for bad breath, red or swollen gums, and difficulty eating. These could all be signs of dental issues. Next, provide dental-friendly toys and treats. These can help reduce plaque and tartar buildup. And finally, consider brushing your cat's teeth. Yes, it might be a struggle at first, but with patience, you and your fur baby can make it a part of your routine. Remember, a clean mouth can lead to a longer and healthier life for your cat. Overfeeding takes the 7th spot on our list. It's easy to think that a round, well-fed cat is a happy cat, but overfeeding can lead to serious health problems like obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. It's not just about how much you feed your cat, but what you feed them as well. Cats need a balanced diet, just like us. They need proteins, fats, and a small amount of carbohydrates. It's crucial to understand that not all cat foods are created equal. Some are laden with fillers and low-quality ingredients that your cat doesn't need. Avoid the temptation to free-feed your cat. Establish a feeding schedule and stick to it. If your cat seems hungry all the time, it might be a sign of other health issues, not necessarily a need for more food. Use portion control. The amount of food your cat needs depends on their age, size, and activity level. Moderation is key when it comes to feeding your cat. Number 6 on our list is not providing enough stimulation for your cat. Cats, like their human companions, require both mental and physical stimulation to maintain their overall well-being. Without these, they can become bored or anxious, leading to unwanted behaviors. Think about it. In the wild, cats spend a large portion of their day hunting and exploring their environment. Domestic cats still have these natural instincts. Therefore, it's important to provide them with opportunities to engage in these behaviors at home. You might consider investing in interactive toys, puzzles, or even a cat tree to keep them entertained. Regular playtime is also crucial, not just for their mental health, but for their physical health too. Laser pointers, feather wands, or even a simple piece of string can provide hours of fun for your feline friend. Remember, a stimulated cat is a happy cat, so try to incorporate these activities into your cat's daily routine. Keep your cat's mind sharp and body active for a healthier and happier feline friend. Halfway through our countdown, at number 5 is neglecting grooming. While cats are known for their self-cleaning habits, this doesn't mean they don't need a little help now and then. Regular grooming is more than just keeping your feline friend looking sleek and shiny. It's a crucial part of their overall health. Grooming helps remove loose hair, reducing the risk of hairballs. It also gives you a chance to check for fleas, ticks, and other skin problems. Furthermore, it's an excellent opportunity for bonding with your cat, making them feel loved and cared for. So how should you groom your cat? Start with a good quality brush suitable for your cat's coat type. Brush gently and regularly, ideally every day for long-haired breeds. Trim their nails every few weeks and don't forget to check their ears for wax or dirt. Remember, your cat may not always love being groomed, so patience is key. Regular grooming is essential for a clean and healthy cat. Coming in at number 4 is not cleaning the litter box regularly. Now, this might seem like a chore we'd all rather avoid, but it's actually pivotal to your cat's health and happiness. Cats are fastidiously clean animals, and a dirty litter box can lead to a number of issues. It can cause your feline friend to avoid using the box, leading to accidents around the house. Even more concerning, it can lead to urinary and fecal retention, which can result in serious health complications. So what's the solution? Well, it's simple. Regular maintenance is key. Aim to scoop out the litter box at least once a day, removing any waste. Then give the box a thorough clean every week or so. Use a mild, fragrance-free soap to avoid irritating your cat's sensitive sense of smell. Remember, your cat's litter box is their personal space. Keeping it clean shows respect for their needs and enhances their quality of life. A clean litter box means a happy cat. Number 3 on our list is ignoring behavioral changes in your cat. Now, we all know cats can be a bit mysterious, but it's essential to stay attuned to their behaviors. A change in behavior is often the first sign of an underlying issue. It could be a health problem, stress, or perhaps a reaction to a change in their environment. For example, if your usually social cat becomes withdrawn, or your active feline friend suddenly seems lethargic, these could be signs of illness or discomfort. Similarly, an increase in aggression or a sudden change in eating or litter box habits should not be overlooked. These are all signs that your cat is trying to tell you something. Remember, you know your cat better than anyone else. You're the best judge of what's normal and what's not for them, so don't ignore these signs. Always keep an eye out for any changes in your cat's behavior. At number 2 is not providing enough water for your cat. Hydration is as essential for cats as it is for us humans. While it's true that cats originated from desert regions and have a lower thirst drive, they still need a good amount of water to keep their body functioning properly. Without adequate hydration, cats can suffer from a variety of health problems, like kidney disease and urinary tract issues. So, how can you ensure your cat is getting enough water? First, try incorporating wet food into their diet. Wet food is typically around 70 to 80% water, which can significantly contribute to their daily water intake. Secondly, consider getting a cat water fountain. Cats are naturally attracted to running water, and a water fountain can encourage them to drink more. Lastly, always make sure that fresh water is readily available for them. Remember, keeping your cat hydrated is crucial for its overall health. And finally, at number 1 is leaving your cats alone for long periods. Contrary to popular belief, cats are not solitary creatures. They crave interaction and mental stimulation. Being alone for extended periods can lead to feelings of loneliness, and even result in behavioral issues. So how can we mitigate this? Firstly, provide them with interactive toys. Puzzle feeders, for instance, keep them occupied and mentally stimulated. Secondly, consider adopting a second cat for companionship. Cats often form strong bonds with each other, easing feelings of isolation. Technology can also lend a helping hand. There are interactive pet cameras that allow you to interact with your cat, even when you're not physically there. Some even dispense treats, adding a fun element for your feline friend. Lastly, consider hiring a pet sitter, or asking a neighbor to check in on your cat if you're away for an extended period. Remember, your cat needs your love and attention as much as you need theirs. That wraps up our countdown of the top 10 mistakes cat owners often make. From neglecting regular vet checkups to overfeeding, ignoring dental care, and leaving our feline friends alone for long periods, these are pitfalls we must strive to avoid. Let's not forget to provide enough water, stimulation, and grooming, and always keep an eye on any behavioral changes. By steering clear of these common errors, we ensure the well-being of our cherished pets. Thanks for watching. Remember, a happy cat makes a happy home.